In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark correct answers on Google Forms quickly and simply. We'll walk through the process together step by step, making it easy for you to set up a quiz that's interactive and efficient for both you and your participants. Let's begin by opening up Google Drive. That's your hub for all things Google and the starting point for creating a new form. Once you're in Drive, look for the New button, usually on the left hand side near the top of the page. Click on it and you'll see a drop down menu with several options. Here, select Google Forms. This will open up a variety of choices, but to keep things straightforward, select Blank Form. This option will give you a clean slate to build your quiz exactly the way you want it. Now that you have a blank form, the next step is to click on Settings. This option is located at the top right of the form, looking like a gear icon. Within the settings menu, look for the option labelled Make this a quiz. Activating this feature is crucial as it enables you to assign point values and correct answers to your questions, transforming your simple form into an interactive quiz. After enabling the quiz feature, it's time to head back to the Questions tab. This is where you create and modify your questions. Let's start by adding a field for participants to enter their names. Just click on Add Question and choose the short answer question type. This helps you keep track of who submitted which answers. Next, let's add the questions themselves. Choose multiple choice from the list of question types. This format allows you to list several answer options for each question. If you need to add more options, there's an Add Other button to help you expand the possibilities. Once your questions and options are in place, you'll need to hit the Answer key button. This is where you'll mark which answers are correct. Just click on the correct answer for each question, and you'll see a green check mark indicating that it's been selected as the correct choice. Don't forget to assign a point value for each question. This makes scoring straightforward and automated. After you've set the correct answers and points, click Done, which will save your settings and prepare the form for use. Your quiz is now ready to be shared with participants. To summarize, creating a quiz using Google Forms is simple and intuitive. You start by setting up the form, adjusting settings to enable quiz features, inserting questions, and finally pinpointing correct answers. With these steps, you'll have an efficient way to assess your participants' knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy quizzing!